Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you had a great new year. It is officially World Carnivore Month, January 1st, 2024, World Carnivore Month. And this is the first video of the year. We are having a smorgasbord of carnivore goodies. As most of y'all know, Wifey has never partaken in carnivore. And this month, she has decided she is going to try her best to stick with it or try it out and see how she does. And I'm super stoked about it. That's why I'm not doing the BBBE challenge like a lot of my other carnivore lovers are. I want to be able to support her and help her out as much as she can and not be as strict as BBBE is. So on the way home today, she messaged me and said, I hope you're hungry. And I figured, let's video what she come up with in this Carnivore Charcuterie. How you say it? Charcuterie? Charcuterie? Carnivore cutting board full of food. So, she said that she has made some chicken salad that has some cheese, looks like some bacon, and I think she used primal mayo. And then she has made some venison meatballs. What's in the venison meatballs?
Just cheese and seasoning.
Cheese and that McCormick's garlic, onion, and black pepper seasoning that you've seen me use in other videos. And then we've got some sriracha deviled eggs. We've got some pork rinds for the chicken salad. And we've got some little pepperonis with some cheese on them. These are turkey pepperonis and regular pepperonis with some cheese on them. And then this is just some leftover ham from Christmas. It looks pretty good. I want to start with the deviled eggs because it's kind of my favorite. So just sriracha, primal mayo,
mustard,
and some mustard. No, it's delicious. I probably like that better than your normal. The primal mayo is different. I do miss pickles though. I do miss the pickles. All right, let's do a little bit of the pepperoni with the chicken salad. The chicken salad's good. So she kind of got inspiration from Laura Spath's, what do they call it? Loaded chicken salad. So you got bacon, cheese, primal mayo, some mustard, a little bit of salt and pepper. And that's really good. He used rotisserie chicken, right? So rotisserie store-bought chicken. That's really good. The bigger pepperonis seem to have gotten crispier. Is it a different kind of cheese or anything?
Same cheese, but it was a big muffin pan. The other one was a mini. So it kind of folded up.
They cupped a little bit. Yeah. Gotcha. That's a good little snack. And you could use those as chips. So like if you crave chips, that would be a good idea. All right. Venison meatballs. Those of you that don't know, this is from a deer that I was able to harvest this year. Smells really good. You can taste the McCormick's, the onion, and a little bit of the garlic. But it's just venison, right? Just deer meat and and cheese.
A little bit of cheese in it.
A little bit of cheese.
That one has like a Mexican cheese in it. And the chicken salad has cheddar.
So on that, I can't. Okay, so I can't really tell about the cheese in these.
And an egg.
And an egg.
Oh, together.
Okay. So that's how it's held together so good. That's a good meatball. If you're not real strict, cover that in some like zero sugar barbecue sauce or something like that, which she did have set out for me if I wanted to try it or have it. But I want to be a little bit cleaner on my sauces this month. But that's really good. The ham is ham. We put this in a crock pot. It's really good. I believe the chicken salad is the, it's going to steal the show, babe.
Mm-hmm.
I know I asked her if she'd already eaten.
Mm-hmm.
And she said that she had some of the leftover carnivore gravy and biscuits I made from around Christmas time too. But then she's like, but I also kind of, snacked a little bit.
Quality control.
Just looking out for me.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm going to go tear into this. This is awesome. Honey, I appreciate you making it for me. I'm super stoked to see how you do on your carnivore journey. I'm sure the people will be too, because they can only get so much of me before they get bored. But this is awesome. This is really good. Maybe we'll do some dedicated videos to some of the things that she's trying to make in the future, and maybe we'll get her on the camera later on to see what her thoughts are, maybe a week or 2 weeks in, on carnivore-ish. Are we calling it carnivore-ish?
Mm-hmm.
Ish. Modified carnivore. Hybrid carnivore. So, but, she's wanting to cut back on like carbs, a lot of gluten, and sugar, and then just processed stuff altogether. So we ate at Brazilian Steakhouse yesterday, and it's funny because like they'll bring, the big spears full of meat, and she's like, no thanks. And they just kind of look at us like, why are you here? I told her that's going to change. Once she starts eating this meat all the time and starts craving it, it's going to be different. She's kind of had meat aversion in the past where she couldn't care, if she had steak she's never really eaten steak. So I'm anxious to see how all that changes. The more and more she dabbles in carnivore. So anyway, I'm going to go eat this board full of carnivorous foods. And that's going to be it. This is the first video of the year. I hope you guys are having a great 2024. And be sure to tune in next time for who knows what we're going to be doing. All right. Y'all stick with me, guys. We'll see what we can do. Thanks. God bless. The chicken salad is really good.